In today's video, I'll teach you how to check old chat messages on Facebook. So if you want to check the old chat messages on Facebook, what you have to do is simply open Facebook Messenger on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here, Messenger has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the chats interface. You'll be able to see all your chats over here. So if you want to check your old chat messages, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Older conversations will be towards the bottom. Over there, you'll be able to see the old chat messages. But if you do not see the conversation in the chat interface, it may have been archived. Some of the old chat messages will be automatically archived. So in order to check it, what you have to do is tap on the menu icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options like settings, marketplace, message requests, archive, friend requests, etc. Simply tap on this option archive that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the archive interface. You'll be able to see all of your old chat messages that have been archived over here. Simply tap on the message that you would like to check. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to check the message. If you send the message over here, it will automatically be unarchived. Now you'll be able to access it in the main chat interface too. So like this, you'll be able to check the old chat messages on Facebook. So that is how you check old chat messages on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.